Hello viewers, welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Instagram. In this video, I will show you how you can run ad campaigns on Facebook or how you can run lead generation ads on Meta Business Suite. Without wasting time, let's write Meta Business Suite and click on Create. Here you find the options that which type of ad you want to run. In this video, we will learn lead generation campaigns, so click on Lead and then we go for manual settings. Here, there are 3 steps of your lead generation campaign. In the first step, you only have to set the name of your campaign. The name could be anything. Other settings remain same, and click on Next. Now we are on step number 2. Here you have to choose from where you want to generate leads. Instant forms are a more efficient method to generate leads, so we will go with instant forms. Your Facebook page must be connected to Meta Business Suite. You have to choose your performance goal. Here we want maximum number of leads. Set the budget of your whole ad. Then write daily budget. Set the date when you want to publish or when to end your campaign. If you won't set end date, your campaign starts continuously and may result in wastage of budget. In audience control section, you may choose your saved audience. But we set our audience here first. You set the location and set the particular city and particular radius. Only the audience of selected location can interact with your ad. Choose the age group of people according to your product or service. You must need to bother people of which age group are interested in your product. You can exclude any area to use your budget efficiently. Select the language of your ad. Always go with manual placements and choose the particular platforms where you want to run your ad. I am unselecting the audience network to save my budget. At the right interface, predicted results has been shown to you. Click on Next. Connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. And then create ad setup. You may go with a single image or video, but I choose carousel ad. Click on Add Cards, Add Image Cards. Click on Upload and select your images. And then continue with all the selected images. These are the placements that we have chosen in step 2. Write primary text. You may write it with ChatGPT. The primary text has shown at the above of your image as shown. Choose Call to Action button. Add your edit text. You can also choose the suggested text given by Meta. Click on Create Instant Forms. Write name of your form. Click on Intro and write headline of 60 characters. Select the type of description, either in paragraph or list. I am writing a paragraph for my ad. Then click on Questions, write description. Add information which you want to get from your audience. Rearrange the questions with the help of mouse. Click on Continue and add your privacy policy. If you won't have privacy policy, you can generate it. For this, write Privacy Policy Generator in Google Chrome and click on First Site. Continue and generate. Select Website. Write URL of your website, name of your website, select entity type, and select the country. Click on Next Step and check the desired boxes. Again, Next Step and click on By visiting a page on our website. Write your link. And next step, click on Yes and Continue and generate your privacy policy. Now copy the link of your privacy policy and paste it in your form. Click on Ending, go to Website and add link of your website and choose Call to Action. Your instant form has been created now. Check Advanced Preview of your ad. It is showing the preview of your ad on different platforms. Click on Save and publish your ad. I hope you find my video easy and simple to understand. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Aniza's Tech Tutorials.